Did you know Slovenia hides a secret world beneath your feet? So huge and sparkling it feels straight out of a fantasy movie? Slovenia has over 13,000 caves, from tiny hidden tunnels to enormous underground halls big enough to swallow skyscrapers. These caves formed naturally as rainwater slowly dissolved limestone over millions of years, creating winding passages and massive chambers beneath the surface. And hidden inside these caves lives the Olm, a pale, gentle creature that looks like a tiny dragon and can live for over 100 years. If you love hidden wonders of the world, Slovenia's underground kingdom is one of the most magical places on Earth.